Hey babes, how are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I thought I would do something a little bit fun, so I thought I would do the 3-minute challenge. So I already have all of my stuff laid out, not in any particular order, and I already have my sponges damp. So I'm just gonna get right into the video. Before we start though, make sure you click thumbs up on this video. It would really make me smile, and then hit subscribe down below. It would really make me happy. So thank you guys again for watching. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to set the timer on my phone to 3 minutes, and I have 3 whole minutes to do this entire face before I go to work. So whatever happens here is literally going to be what I look like at work today. I'm a little worried. But what else? I already did my skincare. I didn't do any prep, primer. So let us get started. I'm nervous. My anxiety is on 1,000. Okay, let us see. So I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try to put a timer up here so that you guys could count down with me. So ready, set, go. Alright, I'm just going to be priming with my Jouer mattifying primer. Oh. And then I'm just going to go in with my brows. Guys, I'm shaking. I'm shaking. There we go. I hope this is not a complete fail. Okay, I'm just gonna fill out my brows. I'm using the ABH pomade. I can't tell what color this is in, but I will leave everything in the bottom bar. Oh my goodness, my eyebrows look, wow. Whoa. Okay, so those are eyebrows. What do I typically do next? I'm gonna kind of set my primer. Okay, and then I am going to go right ahead with foundation and highlighting. I typically use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation for highlighting, only because it's just what I have. Okay, I can't find my brush. So, oh, I don't know if highlighting is going to happen today. So I'm going to, I have 1 minute, oh my goodness. This is such a fail. I'm just going to put my foundation on. Ooh. And just go ahead and blend that in. I literally have 1 minute left. What took so long? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to contour. I don't know if we're gonna highlight today. Maybe the last 10 seconds. So I'm just contouring with a sample size of black Opal. So I'm just gonna put that here, put that here. Ooh, oh goodness. Put that around my jawline and put that on here. So we're just going to kind of blend that in. It honestly does not matter. Blend that in. Oh, don't forget the nose. Your nose has to be snatched too. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of blend that again with this. Oh, that was it. So this is what I have, guys. This was a complete epic fail, but that's okay. That's okay. There you go. I have a crooked nose. I don't think my eyebrows look too bad. I'm not highlighted. I have contour splotches on my face. And yeah, this was an epic fail, but that's okay. That's okay. It was 3 minutes. 3 minutes of anxiety and stress. I'm just gonna blend this out now because I can't go to work like this. I'm just wondering who in the world can do their makeup in 3 minutes. I feel like I could never, ever get away with. I can't even walk out with just mascara. If I'm not putting on like a full beat, then I'm not putting on anything. I'll do skincare and just walk out the door. But if it's not like a full face, then I will not be putting anything on my face except for moisturizer. I need to be like spotted when my makeup is on. Like, I want to be highlighted to the gods. I want to be beat. Like, if I got one. So I just blended that out. And I'll just put on some mascara and a lippy. So okay, I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. This is the the Benefit They're Real. It's my favorite mascara of all time. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my lashes. I don't think, I don't know, should I highlight? I don't know if I should. Guys, just so you know, I was very ambitious when I started this video. I have like 3 different lip pencils. I have Jackie Aina La Peach. I have some Derma Blend highlighter. I was really gonna try to go like in, and I thought I was going to win, but it goes to show you 3 minutes is not enough time to get ready, okay? So I am so happy that you guys stayed to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to tag the video that inspired me to do this video down below. Let me know if you've ever tried it. Let me know, how did you fare? Like, did you make it? Did you get all of your like beat face done in 3 minutes? If not, then I feel for you because that was the most challenging thing I've done all week. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe down below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that bell so you're notified anytime I make a video. So I'm gonna leave you with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, babes.